And before we conclude the bulletin, Vietnam is celebrating a vibrant year in cinema as the 24th Vietnam Film Festival gets underway in Ho Chi Minh City. The festival brings together filmmakers, actors, and film enthusiasts to showcase the best of Vietnamese storytelling and creativity.
I'm right here in the Independence Palace in Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam. It is so alive for the 24th Vietnamese Film Festival, an unforgettable celebration of the successful year of Vietnam cinema.
In the 1990s, Ho Chi Minh City was Vietnam's cinematic hub, and it still leads the way today. This festival is a celebration for the filmmakers and film lovers alike.
A lot of really good films are being shown. There's some intense competition and some titles are really standing out, like Red Rain, The Tunnel, or Hijacket.
The 2025 Vietnam Film Festival received 202 submissions with the theme Vietnamese Cinema, Sustainable Development and International Integration in the New Era. The selection committee chose 87 films to compete for awards, and 57 films were selected for the panorama section, starting with Red Rain.
Còn bao nhiêu mình uống bấy nhiêu, sợ cái chó gì.
I was very happy when Red Rain was chosen as the opening film. Seeing so many people waiting and welcoming us made me feel truly joyful. I will continue making revolutionary war films in the future.
I've watched Red Rain 6 times already, but every time it feels just like the first. It shows that the spirit of patriotism passed down from our ancestors to today can never be extinguished.
This year's film festival offers a vibrant series of activities, including industry workshops exploring film development. It also brings organizations together to share experiences and showcases standout artistic performances, creating a lively and inspiring festival season. The awarded movies will be announced on the 25th of November.